Hi, I'm Doug Jones with Buyers Realty in San Jose, California, and many of the offers today made by buyers are made with a non-contingency offer. And the reason they do that is because if they want to get the property, that's what it takes. There's a lot of competition for purchases now. And I want to tell you what that means. First of all, the contingency, the word, if you buy it non-contingency, it really means you're buying it as is. It means that you don't have any way out. And so contingency is a way out. I want to give you an example. If a person makes an offer of $1 million and they say the bank will do 80% loan on that million, they get a loan for $800,000. But, and I'll say one more thing real quick. Most offers come with a 3% earnest money deposit. So in this case, the customer's got to put $30,000 into the escrow right away. Now that's where the risk comes. That's where the risk is with a non-contingency offer. Because if you got a loan contingency, if that loan is turned down, then you're still going to buy the property some way, or you're going to lose that $30,000. Appraisal contingency, let's say that the appraisal comes in at $900,000. So you put an offer for $1 million, comes in $900,000, 80% of that, the bank will lend for $720,000. The bank will lend on the lower of the appraised value or the purchase price. So in this case, if you buy it non-contingency and the appraisal comes in lower, the customer has to put down another $80,000 again, or lose the $30,000. Property contingency. That means you're going to buy the property as is. Now you're still free and welcome to get a termite inspection, a property inspection, but if you get that offer accepted, you've got already non-contingency on the property, that means that you're going to buy it, and if you find $30,000 termite work, then you just bought a property that you're going to pay $30,000 of termite for. So contingency, non-contingency. Contingency gives the buyer a way out. Non-contingency basically means there's no way out. Contingency and no contingency means as is. Use those words. I think that makes it a little simpler. But in this case, as you can see, if a person wants to make this offer and they're going to do it non-contingency, then they're making it non-contingency on the appraisal, no matter what it appraises for, non-contingency on the loan approval, or non-contingency on the property inspection. So what that means, you want to know everything you can about the property up front. You want to make sure you're completely approved, and you want to make sure that you're really have a good idea how much that property is worth. So that's what a contingency is, and that's what non-contingency is. I'm Doug Jones with Buyers Realty. There's my email address, and there's my DRE number, and I hope this helps you a little bit.